Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to file a complaint with Geico. All right, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. It's 2025 and I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you can do is to contact Geico's customer service department. So I did a video before where you can get the number for the customer service. You just check that out and contact the Geico's customer service department and just express your concerns or complaint. Second thing would be to submit a complaint online. So you can choose to reach out by submitting a complaint on the website. And once that's done, you can also choose to contact your state's insurance department. So contact your state insurance department to file a complaint if you're not satisfied with Geico's response. You can also choose to seek mediation or arbitration. So go ahead and seek mediation or arbitration if you are unable to resolve your complaints with Geico. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to file a complaint with Geico. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.